Hello everyone, this is Krishnaveni. Today we are going to see a new topic which is very useful in the analytics field. In the previous session, we saw about how to generate the value from different sources and how an e-commerce company generated the value out of it. And today's topic is any guesses? Yeah, it is all about a case study and about an e-commerce company. These are all the different sources of data where application programming interface can be applied. We are a company. It's maybe an e-commerce company or any other company. A customer is making an order. Immediately, it is being created, and that may be enquired in any forms of social media. All these are being interconnected, and like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Wherever we are getting a query about a particular product by a customer, that will be answered immediately with the support of the application programming interface. Yeah, these are all the different sources, all the social medias, all the transactions, all the deliveries, all the things, everything becomes the source for the company. Here, data sources are being generated with the support of Internet of Things. Internet of Things helps, it helps, it is the base for creating application programming interface. All the data are to be managed in such a way, and all these are being interconnected. So we will create a database. With that, we will apply IoT and we will generate information. Say for example, if a customer is putting an order, okay, for his friend's birthday, immediately what they will do when they can get the delivery, because it's a birthday gift, no, we have to deliver on time. So immediately he likes to track those things. What he done is he make this order, and IoT helps us to manage when it can be delivered, at what time it can be delivered. All these things, all the Internet of Things will be managed with the support of IoT. And API, like all the, if you are inquired about your product in their website or from the Facebook or the Twitter or wherever it is, they will get the customer will get an answer that within 2 minutes, 3 minutes and 27 seconds the product will be delivered. It obviously helps the customer to know when he can get his delivery. At the same time, it improves the value of the company. It maximizes the satisfaction level of the customers. So it all becomes a data, and those data to be managed efficiently to create a big business value. And first one is application programming interface. It's a gateway to let applications talk each other. It's a gateway. Each application, Facebook, say for example, if I'm making an order in one platform, like in the website or with their app, and if I'm just inquiring about the delivery time in the Facebook or in the Instagram or in the Twitter, wherever I'm making enquiry, immediately it will help us to give the information back to their customers. So it is extremely easy to use and completely automated thing. It's very robust. So this is the biggest strength of this API. The other these are all the legends. They are using the API in such a way to generate more value for their business. Google for Microsoft Azure ML, Amazon, BBC, edX, Visa, all these people are using API to make their customer happy, to make their customer informed, and it is very useful technology which helps to improve the value of the business. And next, that is the big sources of big data. Like we are getting the data from the Twitter own database, from our system, or through phone calls or voice calls or message or whatever it is. All these data are being becomes a data for a business. So that are to be interconnected with the support of Internet of Things and Industrial Internet of Things. Say for example, if I am going to make an order, that to be communicated to all the people, connectivity, analytics, processing, alerts, sensors, everything are to be managed properly, connected properly with the support of Industrial Internet of Things, that to be communicated to the appropriated persons with the support of API. This is where the business is lying. Social media data source are the big sources of database. Is it true? Yeah, of course, it's true, because from Facebook or Twitter, whatever, wherever we are getting a comment about our product, that becomes the source for the business. All these data, all these sources create a huge volume of data, of course. And Industrial Internet of Things is different from Internet of Things. Yes, of course, because Internet of Things helps us to get the data and to make communication. Industrial Internet of Things, wherever my customer is sitting in US and making an order, that will be communicated to my supplier that this much of quantity of raw material is required for this company. Then obviously we will get an order that production to be this number of products to be delivered on this time, and assembly will take in place, logistics will be taken care of, everything are being managed with the support of GPS track, sensors and everything. This we call it as an Industrial Internet of Things. All the applications are being connected, and it is being interacted, that is API. Internet of Things is we are gathering the large amount of data. All those data are to be managed in such a way to give and meaningful information. Yeah, today we see about what are the different sources of data, how API is working and where it can be applied. Hope you understand better in this about these terminology. These are all very, very important nowadays. All the companies are applying these technologies. We should aware about those. And this will give an insight about the API, IoT, and IIoT.